Hi first graders, this is Miss McKee and we are going to be working on phonics. That means hearing sounds and making them into words. So we're going to start with welcome to first grade. My name is Miss McKee. What is your name? So go ahead and say your name and we'll keep going. Okay, I'm going to say 3 words and you're going to listen for the sound in all 3 of the words. Mop, man, milk. Do you hear those 3 words? The first sound is Okay, let's do some more. Drum, hymn, team. The same sound in all 3 of those is and that's at the end of the word. So drum, hymn, team. Okay, let's do some more. Sad, say, 6. The same sound is s. Mit, make, men. The same sound is Mat, moon, male. The same sound is Safe, soup, sit. The same sound is s. Sun, soap, suit. The same sound is s. And last of all, us, yes, toss. The same sound is s, and this time it's at the end. Okay, today we will be learning about the letter M. So we have uppercase M and lowercase m. Now this is called the map card because right there in the middle is a map. And the name of the letter is M. The name is what? That's right, M. What's the sound? The sound is What's the sound? That's right, just like map. Okay, a little later, you'll be learning how to write uppercase M. You start at the top, go down. Oh, sorry. Go down, go up, go down. You'll be doing uppercase M and lowercase m. Okay, let's keep going. So our next card for today is the sun card because in the middle you have a picture of the sun. And this is uppercase and lowercase s. What's the name? S. What's the name? That's right, S. What's the sound? S. What's the sound? That's right, S. Okay, we're going to say this. So now you're going to do it with me. Say as I write as I go over the M. So ready? Now let's do it with the S sound. S, 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 s. Oh, sorry. S, 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 s. Okay, this is a little bit, this is a fun activity. So you're going to say, so I will say the picture name, and then we're going to write a if it starts with a sound or s if it starts with a s sound. So we're going to do this kind of quickly. I'm going to go like this and go 3, 2, 1 and then give the answer. Mop. What sound does that start with? 3, 2, 1. So that'd be an M sound. It'd be the M letter, but the sound. Okay, this is sink. 3, 2. S. It starts with S. Mouse. 3, 2. Mouse. Okay, let's do another one. 7. We're over here now. 7. S. That's the first sound. Okay, moon. And that would be sand pail. So, oh, okay. S for sand, sand pail. Okay, say each picture name, then write M, below, or s if it ends in that sound. So now we're not listening for the first sound, we're listening for the last sound. So this is broom. 3, 2. It'd be broom. The last sound is Okay. Cap. No, that's not it. Hat. I can't think of that one. So we're just going to skip that. Last one is drum. 3, 2, 1 is Okay, here is our alphabet card. Alphabet cards. The alphabet contains 26 letters, and you will learn how to read and spell words with these letters. So we would go, A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, bat. C is for camel, camel. D is for dolphin, dolphin. E is for egg, egg. F is for fire, fire. G is for guitar, guitar. H is for hippo, hippo. I is for insect, insect. J is for jump rope, jump rope. K is for koala, koala. L is for lemon, lemon. Oh, sorry. M is for map, map. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for piano, piano. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rose, rose. S is for sun. Let's see, sun. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for volcano, volcano. W is for window, window. X is for box, box. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zipper, zipper. Okay, friends, that was a lot, but we will continue to learn those, so don't worry, we'll keep practicing those. Okay, our high frequency words are words that we use a lot when we read. So we're going to be working on these words every single day this week. This word is like. What's the word? Your turn. Like. The word is like. Okay. Now, the word like is spelled L-I-K-E. Now spell it with me. L-I-K-E. That's right. Let's write the word in the air with our finger. L-I-K-E. Okay, our next word, this is a very important word. This is I. What's the word? I. That's right. Let's spell the word I. Let's write the word I. And when we write it, we're going to have those little lines like that. Okay, last of all for today, I'm going to read this to you, the game. All our names are not the same, so we like to play a game. Is this Anna? Is that Lee? Let's wave to Dan. Let's wave to Bree. Say hello to Jan and James. We like to play the game of names. So that is all we have for today, but I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.